Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Guess what I have over here? Ta-da-da-dang. We are done with the Flower of Happiness one, the pansies one. Take a look at this. Beautiful. I did the backstage because this backstage is easier. I mean, it's not that hard as the one with the strawberry basket, although that one also easy because these are small ones, real small ones. So I did it like this. I'm presenting it to you before I wash. I'll come back, and show it to you all wash and iron and everything. But take a look at this, beautiful. The details on the sleeve, on the leaves. The detail, what a difference does the backstage make, because it gives form, dimension to the flower. Very beautiful, very fun to make, very quick to make. It's just that this is not the only thing I do in my channel. As many of you know, I do various craft, and so I have to divide my time. So this is gonna be I'm gonna come back for that. For next week, we're gonna start with the 16 count, the Kingfisher. I'm looking forward to this one because it's a 16 count. It's supposed to show more detail. It has some backstitch. This one has 32 colors and one backstitch, but it's so little that it has a backstitch. Just this area over here where it's in red, that one, that, and then here on the top of the head. That's it. And some in the tail over here. That's all the backstitch that it is. So this one, look at the beautiful colors. This one, I'm gonna be kitting it up in one of the big ones. This one, 50, because it's 32 colors. Oh, look, it's blue. Just like this. I didn't realize that. So I'm looking forward to this one next week. Starting in next week. Let me get it out. This one, the fabric is softer. Still, you have to crunch it a little bit. But the fabric is softer, and it's a partial one. And look at all the blocking. There's a lot of confetti over here. This one is going to take a little bit more time. So there's a lot of blocking. Okay, I'm going to start on that one. So this is neat, and it's softer. The fabric is softer than the other ones. You still have to crunch it a little bit. It's best if you do that, so you will soften it for next week. But I can't wait until I start this one. This one is gonna be pretty, very pretty, and 32 beautiful colors. You cannot ask for more. So I'm going to be looking forward to start this one next week. Okay. We continue with the beading cross stitch on Sundays. And like I said, I'm gonna wash this one, I'm gonna iron it, and present it to you. So I'll be back as soon as it dries and I can iron it, okay? See you then. We are back. Here it is, already washed and ironed. I just finished ironing it. Look at how beautiful it is. The colors and everything. I love it. I love the colors. Kind of have a kind of fall looking type. So I wash it, let it dry, and many hours later here it is. I iron it. This is beautiful. I like it the way it turned out. I like the way these flowers are turning out, these small ones. I can't wait until I start the 16 count, because that one's gonna be more detailed. So here it is. Here you have it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful colors. Have 15 colors. That's not bad for the amount of detail, because look at the details on the leaves. The details of the flower, it is to backstitch makes a big difference. It gives form, dimension, contour to the piece. I'm not afraid to backstitch. Well, I'm not afraid to try anything, including resin, you know, to try any new craft, because I love crafts. But here it is. Oh, so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this series, snack size. We're gonna continue, okay? And the next one, like I said, I had the 16 count that I showed you at the beginning, okay? And see you next Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Feel free to browse the channel, different craft for entertainment purposes. And until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Much love and peace to all of you. Bye.